Subscribe to New Link YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to New Link YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. New Links, top vlogger. Big up New Links cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss, they are New Link from New Link Production. And I mean say attack. So right about now, my viewers and my subscribers, sad news, you understand, has put out there now, my people. Everyone has here now, my people. Sad news, sad thing happened, my people. Jamaica has lost an icon, my people. Reggae music, you understand, the entertainment industry, dancehall music, everything in a Jamaica, festival, everything we can think of, sound system, engineering, everything has lost a legend, my people, a veteran in the music business, my people, Mr. Lee Scratch Perry, Jaja. Well, my viewers and subscribers, right about now, people are going to do this coverage, you understand, and this vlog about Mr. Lee Scratch Perry, my people. And me no want to just do this vlog naturally like somebody dead or an entertainer dead and just do this vlog and share the news, people. Me just want you all know that Mr. Lee Scratch Perry, people, was somebody who I really look up to on a real level. Was somebody I really honor. Was someone who I really people appreciate, you understand, because when I read up and I follow him, people, I know the history where him do, people, pertaining to the music and where our music is right now, my people. This man is a real and a true legend. So again, my people, I want to say rest in peace, sleep in peace, Mr. Lee Scratch Perry. And for me, I go say legend never die. Just go and sleep in peace, Mr. Perry. So right about now, people, first, so me I go do my viewers and subscribers, me I go share a local piece of video, and this was Mr. Lee Scratch Perry final video, people. You know what I mean? Just a simple local quote, because you know him love quoting thing and do him look a message, and that's why I rate him so much, people. And this was basically a message he was sending to Jamaican people. You understand? We all know what's going in Jamaica right now, people. Some people that say it funny, some people that say it crazy, you know what I mean? A lot of people have mixed reactions anytime him doing videos, them my people, but he always have something powerful and a real meaning behind anything where you see him do. Because if him, you have to ask him and he might explain to your people, he might go tell you a long story behind whatever you see him do. Maybe you take 10 seconds, 20, 30, but we tell you there's something big behind it. So just watch this piece of clip, my people.
Enough love from the Scratch Perry and the holy eye and the holy sky. Enough love from the Scratch Perry and the raining eye, the raining sky. Enough love from the Scratch Perry and the holy flood, and the holy blood, the holy moon and the holy stars, the holy clouds, and the holy rain and the holy brain. In His last name, amen.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, that was Mr. Lee Scratch Perry final video, my people. And basically just shortly after that, people, him gone. You understand? Yeah, man, him drop out. Sad situation, not true. So what me I go do now, people, me I go read an article, you understand, explaining about his death, me people, what happened and thing, and also giving us some information about him for anybody who never knew Mr. Lee Scratch Perry, and for the younger ones, them who just maybe hearing about him and maybe them never know that this man was also a Grammy winner, you understand. He wasn't just a man who them said they run Bob Marley and do beats and this and that for Chris Blackwell and this and that, people was a producer and this and that. No, this man was also, me I tell you, say everything in a one, you understand. He was just everything in one. So let me just read this thing here, people, and then, you know, read New Link. Grammy Award winning Jamaican music pioneer Lee Scratch Perry is dead. He died on Sunday morning at the Noel Holmes Hospital in Lucy, Hanover, after battling illness for some time. Perry was 85 years old. He had been battling high blood pressure for years. I have been trying to get to his wife, Muriel, to get the full confirmation and prove the real fact, but I hear it's online now. 65-year-old Milton Blythe, Perry's younger brother, said on Sunday morning. Blythe, who runs Perry's music studio in Washington Garden, St. Andrew, said it is the second death in less than a month from within the Perry family. Just shy of a month ago, another member of the family, Lyselyn Perry, died and is to be buried this Thursday. She lived in Kendall, Hanover, and reportedly died from respiratory complications. Scratch coming like my father. My father died when I was 8. I am the second to last one in the family, so he was like my father, said Blight. Our mother had 8 of us. 4 of us are Perry and the rest of us are Blight. I have been around Scratch since I was 17. He was like my father. He raised me. I developed as a man around him. I talk to the wife most of the time and check up on him. He was a very nice person and I will miss him. The time has come and we have to accept that, Blight further stated. Prime Minister Andrew Holness confirmed Perry's passing. My deep condolences to the family, friends and fans of legendary record producer and singer Rainford U. Perry OD, affectionately known as Lee Scratch Perry, wrote Holness in a tweet on Sunday morning. Undoubtedly, Lee Scratch Perry will always be remembered for his sterling contribution to the music fraternity. May his soul rest in peace, added Holness. Scratch Perry was one of the greatest producers in the annals of reggae music. Born in March 1936, couldn't read or write music, but he is noted for his intuitive ear, his innovative studio techniques, and a brilliant offbeat production style. An eccentric genius, he is known for recording garden implements for beats, burying microphones under trees to get different sounds, blowing ganja smoke over tapes, and even running tapes backwards. Perry was a pioneer in the 1970s, development of dub music with his early adoption of remixing and studioing effects to create new instrumental or vocal versions of existing reggae tracks. He worked with and produced for a wide variety of artists, including Bob Marley and the Wailers, Junior Mervin, the Congos, Max Romeo, the Beastie Boys, and the Orb. He produced more than 1,000 recordings during his career. These include some of Bob Marley and the Wailers' best early recordings, such as Soul Rebel and Soul Revolution, albums as well as the Small Axe, Dopey Conqueror, Jaliv, Punky Reggae Party, and Rastaman Live Up singles. Perry was a recipient of a national honor, the Order of Distinction, at the rank of officer. He won a Grammy Award in 2002 for the album Jamaica E.T. He was nominated on 4 other occasions in 2014 for Black on the Controls, Revelation in 2010, Repentance in 2008, and The End of an American Dream in 2007. He is known for songs including Dreadlocks in Moonlight, Curly Locks, City Too Hot, and I Am a Madman. Perry, who hailed from Kendall in Hanover, lived in Switzerland for several years, returning to reside in Negril in January 2021, declaring then that Switzerland was too cold. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. So, this article, people, really and truly very powerful, very strong, my viewers and subscribers. And it is really, just highlighting you more, so you, if you never know nothing about this pioneer, about this legend, my people, when I hear about a man who bury microphone, my people, to get better sounds of them, who blew ganja smoke and recording and tape, you understand, to get different sound from them, because this was his belief, my people, and you couldn't stop him. And when he do this, people, basically people hear different sounds, you understand. When I think about a man who is producing some of the greatest tracks of Bob Marley and the Wailers, my people, you understand, just think about that, people, the Congos, yeah. This man was a real legend, my viewers and subscribers, and that's when New Link say, I'm a comfort and say, people, I just don't want to do this and say, yo, somebody dead, Mr. Perry, what, no. I want to do this vlog, people, so people can really understand and know who this legend was, you understand? And I think every artist in Jamaica, every recording artist, whether dancehall, whether whatever you do, you understand, you should all post Mr. Lee Scratch Perry on your IG and put RIP. You should all, because this man was one of them who paved the way for you all. You understand? This man, the same Lee Scratch Perry, who some people would say you're funny, some people are saying sick, some people are saying madman, my people, but only Jah sees and he knows to judge, because this man was a legend for me. Again, I just want to send out my deepest condolences to all the family and friends of Mr. Lee Scratch Perry, and to all the fans, everybody around the world who is mourning the loss of this legend right now. And for me personally, I just want to say, fly high, my brother, Mr. Perry. Your legacy will live on. You understand? This thing that you create, this thing that you build, this thing that you set for others to inherit from will live on. He ain't gonna die. He ain't gonna gone. Because whenever you hear a Bob Marley, you have to think about the man who was behind, you understand, producing those music, Mr. Lee Scratch Perry. Rest in peace, my legend. Fly high, my legend. Big up Mr. Legend, Mr. Lee Scratch Perry. So my viewers and my subscribers, remember my people, please like, please share, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, please follow me on Instagram, my people, New Link Production Official Attacking Boss. Follow me on Facebook, New Link Production Attacking Boss. And Twitter, New Link Production, my people, everywhere, my viewers and subscribers. And please, my people, remember the New Link Back to School treat. You understand? September 2021, and I appreciate the people who are support the thing already. Yeah, man, I've been getting few donations, and I thank you all for the love and the support. Because as a people, I want to make this year special. I want to make this year different, because what I want the people, as I'm sure know already, what I want to do is also feed people in the street in Jamaica. This September, people, you understand? Look out, video will be publicized on my channel. You will see it, people, because you know how we do a thing from right throughout the years. New Link Back to School treat. And you don't know, say Mr. Lee Scratch Perry smiling with the attacking boss right now, people. You understand? Even though I'm asleep when him say we do things like this. So you don't know, rest in peace again, my legend, Mr. Perry. Big up on yourself, people. Peace, love, respect. Remember, be good, be great, and be safe out there. There's one and only attacking boss. Attack them, New Link. Peace out.
Looking up for you new land for agriculture, for African culture, and African culture, for African culture and African culture. In Negro, having a good time in Negro. Bless you out there, my people, and be happy. Father, baby Christ has come alive, and the devil kicked out to paradise, to hell. Picking up rubbish. NTS today. NTS today, NTS today, and pray. And pray.